Do I have to hold a soft, cold, fishy, clammy hand when we're doing a workshop? Disgusting! Disgusting!
Well, the answer is yes. Without that, you cannot advance to spirituality. You won't be able to. It's one of the rules. Uh, no, but seriously though, obviously, we live in this physical world, and we have all kinds of, things that some of us like more, some of us like less. And in a physical setting, these things come about, and it's perfectly fine that, someone is, feels, that it feels comfortable putting his hand around a friend and giving him a hug or something like that, and someone doesn't. These things vary between cultures and norms and so forth, and tastes, but they have nothing to do with the actual spiritual effort that we came to do in a convention. So if you feel like it, then fine. But if you see this on the screens in some situation of a convention that you watched or something like that, and this is something that scares you, then you should know that this is definitely not a demonstration of how you should act in a workshop.